Hey guys, you're probably wondering what's going on. This is final inspection. It is a final inspection video. We just had an idea with a customer who had dropped off this toy to us because I'm into guitars. We were talking about using car care products on things other than cars. And I said to him, I've got a use for one of my products on a guitar. You should try it out. And he did, and he said it was fantastic. He said, you know what, you should let more people know about that. So we thought from time to time we might upload a video demonstrating this kind of thing, you know, how to use car care products for things other than vehicles. In this particular situation, we told this customer to use Boost on a paintwork cloth, on the neck of the guitar, over the strings as well. We're going to be really careful with this guitar because it's a very expensive original Fender broadcaster. The gloss boost will sit on the neck and the strings. It'll dry fairly quickly. You've got to make sure that, that you've got it all off there. It'll clean lightly, but it leaves a film behind which won't damage the clear either, and it makes it nice and slippery. It's much easier to use that neck now to run your hand along, up and down that neck, especially if you're doing bar chords or something and you have to get back and forth really quickly. You've got a lot more slip. There are dedicated products for this. Made by companies for use only on guitars, but you can use Boost, which you might already have, and a paintwork cloth to achieve exactly the same thing, and maybe even a little bit better. I reckon it's a little bit nicer and lasts a little bit longer. That's it. If anyone plays guitar and you have some Boost, I hope that's useful. Thank you, see ya.